Good morning, and welcome to today's London trading session. Okay, good morning, Michael. Welcome to today's London trading session. Good morning, Chukwuka. So, without wasting any much of our time, I will share my screen. My name is Anthony Njoku, and today we will be trading the London session together and seeing the potential opportunities we have to make some money in the financial markets. Okay, so you can see my screen right now. Type Forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen right now, type Forex on the comment section. You can see my screen right now. Type Forex on the comment section. Okay. Daniel said Forex. Michael said Forex. Okay. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Joy Williams. Welcome to our live stream today. So let's dive into the fundamentals for today first. Let's dive into the fundamentals. What will move the markets this morning? And for the fundamentals, we can see we have a news event happening by 8:30 this morning, the Swiss interest rate decision. Then in the afternoon by 12 o'clock, we have the Bank of England interest rate decision. And in the afternoon, we have continuous jobless claims in USA, initial jobless claims in USA, and jobless claims 4-week average in USA. And also by that 1:30, this New York session, we have building permits. So I'm going to analyze the market, explain the market, what I think the market will do with this news event, and I'll show you how it's going to affect the chart and which charts we should focus on. So this morning we have uh, Switzerland interest rate decision, and the previous rate was 1.5%. Remember, guys, Switzerland was the first bank, okay, to cut interest rates in the whole world. They were the first bank to cut interest rates. After they cut interest rates, Bank of Canada cut interest rates. After Bank of Canada, Euro ECB cut interest rates, which is Euro Central Bank cut interest rates, and that's the trade bank that has cut their interest rate. So today, analysts are saying that there's going to also be a cut, an extra cut of 25 base points, which is 0.25%. And if that happens, I've gone back in time, I've gone back in history, did my research before this presentation. Switzerland will be weak if this cut happens the way the Switzerland analysts are saying that it will happen. Okay, if we get 1.25 by 8:30 a.m. today, this morning, Switzerland will be weak. It will be weak. And then in the afternoon, we have Bank of England. They have the interest rate, and analysts are saying that currently it is 5.25%, and consensus is 5.25%. So, which is analysts are saying that they will remain stable, 5.25%. If that happens by 12 o'clock today, Great Britain pound will be strong. Great Britain pound will be strong. Why I say Great Britain pound will be strong is because I have seen that these interest rate decisions that are kept unchanged have not been moving the pair that it is related to the downside. It has not been making those pairs weak. Instead, it has been making those pairs strong. Like this week on Tuesday, we had Australian interest rate decision. And what did we see? AUD was massively strong. Okay, because of the interest rate decision was unchanged. So if the interest rate decision is unchanged for Great Britain pound by 12 o'clock today, we're expecting Great Britain pound to be very strong. Okay, and it will buy against the dollar, it will buy against every other pair. Okay, then we have by New York session continuous jobless claims. Don't worry, I'm going to break down the whole news, fundamentals, and then I'll tell you how we can approach it on the chart. It's step by step, guys. So continuous jobless claims in the United States of America. to be honest with you, inflation in United States of America is rising. Okay, it is rising, and unemployment is also rising. And past data show us that unemployment in US is rising. Inflation, which is the cost of goods and services, is also rising in USA. And now the analysts are telling us that the continuous jobless claims, which is in USA, they have their system very programmed. Whenever you lose your job, there is a government benefit you enroll for, which is jobless claims. You have to go and file it. Okay, you go to your employer's website. If you're an employee, you go to your employer's website and there is a form you fill, jobless claims, and then your employer will now send it to the government. Okay, the government will now start giving you benefits because it is coming from your employer. You're not just going to pick up any form because you feel like and then go and send it. No, they have a structure. So if you file for this unemployment claim, they'll be giving you benefits. Okay, they'll give you benefits into your account. Okay, so yeah, now the analysts are saying that their last result was 1,820k people, okay, filed for these jobless claims from June 8th. Okay, for June 8th, the last June 8th. Okay, and then analysts are saying that it is going to be lower. It will reduce to 1,810k, which I see that this is impossible. It is impossible for this to be lower at this point in time. In all the data I'm getting from the United States of America, it is not possible. So this news in the afternoon has high chances of making dollar weak. We have already started seeing the reaction on gold this morning. Okay, so since we are anticipating that dollar will be weak in the afternoon during New York session by 1:30, and we're anticipating that Great Britain pound will be strong, okay, in the afternoon by 12 o'clock. GBP and USD is a very good pick. Okay, so we'll still go back to the chart. Then the initial jobless claim, this is the most important one. Every other one is a derivative of this particular one, initial jobless claims. The previous initial jobless claims is 242k, and they are saying that okay, there's high chances that this jobless claims will now be 235k, which it is still possible. Anything is possible in the market, but this current data to achieve success, okay, at this point in time in the history of US, with what is happening and the data that is happening, macroeconomy that is happening, it's not possible. I don't see it happening. So this is going to make dollar weak in New York session by 1:30. Okay. Then jobless claims 4-week average, you can see the same thing, 227k. They are anticipating 226k. They are saying it is going to be lower, which I still see that no, it's going to make dollar weak. There will be higher figures than 226k, higher figures than 235k, higher figures than 1,810k. And if this happens, boom, dollar will be weak. Then building permits is also high impact, okay, which is the permit the government gives to builders, real estate companies to go and build and develop. Okay, they are saying that the previous month of May is 1.44 million permits, and then they're saying that by this time June that it has increased to 1.45 million permits, okay, for them to start building. So they added 0.05 permits to the previous permit that they had before. Oh, sorry, 0.01 permits to the previous permit they had before. So with that said, now let's dive to the currency strength meter this morning, because I see that Switzerland has this news coming out in 1 hour and 18 minutes. Let's see what's happening in the currency strength meter. So on the currency strength meter, we can see this morning that Switzerland is the strongest currency this morning. Okay, it has 12.5% strength this morning. After Switzerland, the next pair in line is dollar. Dollar is a strong currency this morning with 5.13%. So Switzerland gave dollar a whooping gap of 7% strength this morning. Then the next on the list is New Zealand. New Zealand is 3.64% this morning. 3.64%. Then Japanese yen is 3.61%. New Zealand gave Japanese yen a gap of 0.03% this morning. Then the next on the list is CAD. but CAD is on the weak side. CAD has minus 1.95%, minus 1.95%. Then the next on the list is Euro. It has minus 5.19%. And the weakest currency this morning is Great Britain pound. No. The weakest currency this morning is Australian dollar with minus 10.47%. Okay, so guys, this current data you saw now, it is everlasting in change, it is not constant forever. It changed, and it changed. So what can I see on dollar this morning due to dollar is strong? Okay, so on dollar I can see that we had this supply zone here, sorry, demand zone here, and for this demand zone, market came swiftly from this top. Market came from this top, had what? Impulse correction. Impulse, tapped into that demand zone, correction, impulse, and it's going for another what? Because I can see there is a supply zone here. There's a supply zone and order block on the smaller time frame, okay, which I see dollar is going towards. Once it gets to this supply zone, then we can anticipate what? One more drop from this supply zone. So this is what I see currently for dollar. Okay, that's why dollar is gaining strength. Okay, so there is still more downside to dollar, but for today, based on this morning, what we're seeing on dollar is that dollar broke this demand zone which it used before, and it gained momentum and started having some reversals. Okay, so based on Swiss franc, we want to trade Swiss franc, yes, by 8:30. Okay, but I'm not going to jump onto the news before the news comes out. Instead, I'm going to wait for the news to be released, because why I say so is this: if this news, the consensus, they're saying that it will be cut by 0.25%, which is 25 basis points. If it turns out negative that the rate is 1.5%, Switzerland will be strong. Okay, if it turns out negative that this news turns out to be 1.5% actually by 8:30 this morning, Switzerland will be strong. So I don't want to be caught in the gap of buying and selling Switzerland or confusion. And let me show you that the market is currently on a state of confusion when it comes to trading Switzerland. Okay, so since yesterday you can see the market has been ranging. No, since Tuesday on Switzerland. Wait, let me hide this. On Switzerland, you can see the market has been ranging, the bottom of the range and the top of the range. You see, the bottom of the range and the top of the range, the market has been ranging because of indecision. Analysts are saying that they will cut rates, and also there's chances that the rate will not be cut. So if rate is cut, okay, what do we expect from this support? We expect this. But if rate is not cut, what do we expect? We expect this. That's the indecision, that's the confusion going on right now, and you can see it playing out on USD CHF. So I'm going to wait for the data. To be unleashed. But based on what I can see and based on what is taught in ICT, whenever the market wants to make a reversal, okay, it finds a way to form patterns. Okay, so over here we can see that the market, let me use this. The market started from this high, created a low, impulse, create a lower high, created this low, create a lower high, created this low, create a lower high, and created this low. So based on ICT concept, after the market is done creating a downward trend, okay, when there's the reversal, they have the cycle of the market, there's always a consolidation. There's always a consolidation before the actual reversal. This cycle, okay, this cycle, proper cycle of the market. And that's what I see happening here. That's why I think that rate cut will be very, very possible. The rate cut will be very, very possible. But something else is conflicting my interest. Something else is conflicting my interest. And you might be wondering, what is that? What is that conflicting my strongest currency this morning? That's what's conflicting my interest. You can see it is still the strong currency at 12.72%. Dollar is at 4.58%. Dollar lost on strength from 710 to 715. Okay, so that's what's conflicting my interest, guys. But if it's based on structure proven, okay, this market is setting up for a reversal based on accumulations here, buy stops and sell stops accumulation. This accumulation. The market maker getting ready to manipulate, but the market maker knows where they want to take. The market maker knows where he wants to take the market to. I've already seen a change of character, okay, and the current order block. This is the order block the market maker placed his trade on. This blue green zone, that's the order block the market maker placed his zone, his trade on. And you see the market has not broken it. A candle has not closed below it successfully, okay. And also over here you see this market that closed, this candle that closed below it during Asian session when the new day started today. The market spiked down red, spiked up blue immediately. So there is strong buyers, and also there's also strong sellers in this market because of the actual news is not out yet. Wait, let me go through your comments. Okay, so Michael says that's called consolidation, right? Yes, it's called consolidation or indecision. It's called consolidation or indecision. It's also called accumulation, buy stops and sell stops accumulation, indecision in the market. Worst time to trade. Exactly, I understand. But the point there that the market maker knows where he wants to take the market to. The market maker knows where he wants to take the market to. Okay. So we should watch out for that news by 8:30. Okay. If the news turns out that Swiss franc cuts their rate, I'll be glad to enter this market over here. Okay. And place my stop loss below the place my stop loss below that zone, and then I can go for 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is the next resistance in line. I know interest rate can spike up massively. You understand? So let us watch out for this. Okay, by 8:30. Although Swiss franc is still strong, if that news comes out and we see the actual result, I'm telling you, brothers, there's high chances that Swiss franc will become the weakest currency for today. There's high chances. Okay, but before that, let's analyze other pairs that is related to Swiss franc. Let's analyze other pairs. I like to stick to majors because it's quite liquid. Let's analyze other pairs that is related to Swiss franc. Good morning, Godfrey. So literally, let's see. Wow, Swiss JPY. What is going on here? Is this a flying fish? It's just flying, keep moving up. and this daily time frame. Oh, I've not even seen. Let me see weekly time frame. Let's see if we can spot. Whoa, what is this market doing? It's creating massive all-time highs like none. So let's see monthly time frame. Okay, wow. So the market is literally creating new highs. Like, to really analyze this market now, and this is the, let me just give you this. Okay, so weekly, this is as in it's creating new highs. Like, is this is at a stage of discovery. The market is at a stage of discovery. It's trying to discover for JPY, switch prime JPY. It's at a stage of discovery. Okay, see that break. Is it a fake out? Could it be a fake out? It's at the stage of discovery. Let's see, man. I'm not going for Swiss JPY. It's a bit complex at this point, but I want to see it come back into. It either does this and continue pushing up. Okay, it either does this and continues pushing up, or it breaks in. It breaks in and then finds a level here that it will still use to push up. So that's what I see currently. But if it's for the break, it's broke already. So that's it for Swiss JPY. I have no interest in it right now. Let's check card card Swiss. Let's check card Swiss. Let's get start from the daily. Okay, so based on the daily, I see the daily demand, nice sweet daily demand. This one is not that complex. Okay, let me just mark that out. Then we go to the smaller time frame, like the 4 hours. Okay, so on the 4 hours, what do I see? Okay, fulfilled efficiency, unfulfilled efficiency. So let me confirm this with this price. No, so this is where I see an unfulfilled efficiency. Let me just mark out this whole body. So this is why I see unfulfilled efficiency. I need to also mark out the bottom of that candle. Very important. Okay. Okay, then let's go to the H4. Then stretch it. Good. Wow. It has fulfilled that efficiency. Man, Swiss franc might cut to, they might cut rate to be honest. It has fulfilled efficiency, held it, and had even a push up. Okay, so let's now go deeper. Man, I love the structure I'm seeing on card Swiss. Let me see. So let's now go deeper. So based on what I can see, this is the ultimate Judas swing, the betrayal of sell side liquidity. So this is the Judas swing, and then this is the change of character, and then it started creating uh higher highs and higher lows. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, so this, where is the last red candle that broke that high? This was the high. And which candle broke it? This was the candle that broke it. But I can literally use this whole body, this whole candle body, as exactly the zone where the market makers are pushing this market up from. So where are we now taking this market to? The market maker, where are you taking this market to? Because for H4, you have fulfilled efficiency, and I have seen it. You've tapped into efficiency. So where are you taking this market? The next, no, I don't want to take this supply zone. This is the supply zone I'll use instead. Okay, I'll prefer to use supply zone. A lot of times, this type of supply zone has always failed. The market will just go there and break it. So this is supply. Then, man, apart from Swiss franc is strong this morning, there's a chance that there will be a betrayal. There will be a betrayal of that strength. Okay, so let's go down to smaller time frame. Now we have our viewpoints. Now we have our viewpoints. Where is that? No, I'm not interested. Let me go in. Okay, so this is where they, no, this is not the original one, and this is it. Is it? Yes, it is. So this is its of interest. I just marked out the points of interest, the POI for card Swiss. Okay, so guys, based on structure, to be honest with you, based on structure and based on my findings, everything is just telling me that Swiss is going to cut rates, and if they cut that rate like the forecast is, I'm telling you, there's going to be a massive push of dollar Swiss by that this morning. I'm not telling you tomorrow, I'm telling you this morning. This is the trade I see, and this is about 1:3.8 risk to reward ratio, risking 1%. Because this is the order block the market maker created, and since this order block was created, the market has not gone below it. Okay, so literally this is what I see. If you want to, yeah, literally this is what I see, guys. Literally this is what I see. And you can see since Tuesday, the same way it's on dollar, since Tuesday there has been this form of consolidation since Tuesday. But one thing you need to notice is that even if it is creating this consolidation after the Judas swing, it has not gone below this low. Come on, guys, it has not gone below this low. It has not gone below this low. After it created this Judas swing, it has not gone below this low. So it has been creating higher highs, literally. It has been creating higher highs. You can see the structure for yourself. It has been creating this high. Okay, this correction, this high, this correction, more like a double bottom. It wants to create the next high. It wants to create the next high. Okay, so this is what I see literally. To be honest, so what do you guys think? For the pros here in the house, what do you think? Is my analysis correct? Or am I talking Spanish? Am I speaking Spanish? Let's check this trend. You see, just this trend is conflicting the whole interest. This I don't like to place a trade against a against a pair that I see that the strength is strong for the day. I don't like it. It gives me these goosebumps that things could just go wrong within a minute. You understand? Because the pair is literally strong. It's the strongest amongst every other pair. The weakest is GBP. Okay, let's check GBP Swiss franc. Let's check GBP Swiss franc. Let's check GBP Swiss franc. Let's go. I'm just breaking down. I'm taking my time to break down this analysis. I want to give myself a sense of direction, a sense of confidence, because I went in data. I went back in the past. I checked when the market did this, cut interest rates, and people were expecting a cut on Swiss franc. What happened to Swiss franc? It became weak. And today we're anticipating a cut. And if that cut happens, Swiss franc will become what? Weak. But if the cut doesn't happen, Swiss franc will be strong. So based on demand, daily demand, I spotted the daily demand with that software I use. This is daily demand. Okay, so this is more like a body, but I don't like to mark out the full body. I just like to have it as a frame of mind that yes, this is the daily demand. So then let's go to the H4. What happened in H4? Which demand is on the H4? Let's go to that particular area. So this is the demand, fulfill the efficiency. Yeah, it fulfilled this efficiency. Then after this efficiency was fulfilled, also for fulfill the efficiency, your demand structure is quite complex. Okay, so based on what I can see, this area here, this area is the demand. Yes, because this fulfilled efficiency. Did you? Yes, I can see this tapping now. So after that, I need to mark out that body because current one, I need to mark out this body. So where exactly is market doing? And literally because I see GP is the weakest currency, I'm not surprised you pulling it so down this way. But the only thing that if yes guys, if the interest rate remains unchanged, I'll coming to GP CHF for this. I'll come to GP CHF for this. You can now be aiming for here. I'm not even going to buy, even if the interest rate is cut. Okay, I'm not going to buy GBP CHF because GP is currently the weakest currency. But there is high chances that when interest rates will be announced in the afternoon by 12 o'clock for GBP, there's high chances that I will buy it then. Okay, if it remains unchanged for GBP. So literally, what can I even see? Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. I want to see what the market is doing for GBP CHF, guys. This is the Judas. No, that's not the Judas swing. That's not the Judas swing. This is the Judas swing. The sell side liquidity trap. So this also this now this is not is that the change of character? Man, why is everything aligning for a buy? And why are you strong? CHF. What was that thing giving me this strength this morning? Let's go and check it out. Wow, okay. So it literally wants to break this demand zone spotted for us on the 15 minutes time frame with this current candle. And if that happens, I'm still not surprised if that happens because GP is the weakest currency. Okay, so but if that doesn't happen, there is chances of us going to the upside from here. Let's give it 20 pips. Good. So there is chances for us going up to the upside if we're meant to just stick to the high. That's 1:2, 40 pips. Yeah, it could come and sweep this high. 1:2, 40 pips. So this is what I see literally. Pros, am I making sense? Pros, the pros in the house. Am I making sense? If I'm not making sense, you let me know. If I'm making sense, you tell me I'm making sense. Godfrey, I know you're watching this. Who else? Who else should I call now? Daniel, I know you're watching this. Who else should I call? All these pros in the house. Am I making sense? So literally, this is what I see. But if this doesn't happen, like if the rate cut is not achieved, there is a steady rate of 0.5 for Swiss franc. Okay, man, GPCHF will be the one who drop even the hardest. It will drop the hardest line. It will drop very hard. So you should just start looking for opportunities to sell. Once that's we're going to be here to trade it live though. I don't know why I'm just prolonging things, but I like the way your structure is, card. I like the way the structure is. Let's check out Euro. And let's delete everything to get a clean view. And again, I see the daily demand over here. It also has a reoptimization zone in confluence with that. Interesting. Okay. Everything is just giving me a buy setup. Everything is just giving me a buy setup. everything is just giving me a buy setup. So let's now mark out our, okay, let's see. Let's track the optimizations on this fulfilled efficiency, this fulfilled efficiency, this has unfulfilled efficiency. I have marked you out. This is the H4 demand zone. This is unfulfilled efficiency, and it came back and it has fulfilled that efficiency. The market is fractal, the market has memories, and it needs to fill those memories. Let me give you a much, yeah, this one. Then let's extend it, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's go. And again, the same reaction. Everybody's just confused. Everybody's just confused. Everybody's just confused. The market came into here, tapped Judas swing. This is Judas swing. This is the longest week. So literally everything here, I'll call everything here Judas swing. Everything that happened here is just Judas trapping sellers. So, and also we had a change of character. Okay, so let me go to the smaller time frame. Okay, so after this, what is demand zone? Okay, so no, let me use this. So after that, we had a change of character, and this is the change of character. Okay, the top. So where is the last red candle that created that change of character? And this was the last. And the market has actually fulfilled this efficiency, but let's use this candle this way, because this is the market maker's candle, where the reversal, the main reversal started from. Man, it's still trapped inside that candle. It is still trapped. So if anything happens, I'm interested to take it from, I think we can get 15 pips here. We can get 15 pips. Okay, so where are we going to with this? Where are we going to with this? Where are we going to with this? Show me where we're going to with this. So, okay, I don't want to use that demand. Sorry, that supply. It's always not good, guys. I don't like using, because there's a fair value gap, so kind of. So I'll prefer to use that one. Oh man, I could have marked out the body as well. Okay, so this is the supply. Please smash the like button if you are getting value from today's lessons. Smash the like button, and don't hesitate to subscribe, so whenever we go live, you join us. Okay, smash that like button. Gotten value so far. Why worst time to trade? I have a question from someone. I don't know if you're my you don't I don't know if you're my student. Accumulation is worst time to trade because buyers and sellers are trapped. Okay, if you're placing trades, buys and sells, they are validated. That's why it is the worst time to trade, during the time of indecision. So we need that news to be out to make an actual decision. I already told you what you need to do to get the actual decision right. Okay, so I see this demand, and basically that's fulfilled efficiency. That's why it is the worst time to trade. Okay, that's why it is the worst time to trade. Hope you guys are getting value. If you're getting value, smash that like button, okay, and subscribe. So literally, I see this, and there is high chance that the spike from that news could spike the market to the upside and give us 1:3 risk to reward ratio on Euro CHF. The same structure for all of them, the same structure, but something that is conflicting my interest is CHF is the strongest currency this morning, and there is still chances that boom, within a snap of a finger, everything will turn opposite during the news by 8:30. Okay, so the next, let's check out CHF NZD. Okay, Michael says he's getting value. Thank you, Michael, for your comments. Daniel, thank you for your reply. You say I'm making sense. I thought that thought I was not making sense, but it seems like I'm making good sense. So making good sense this morning. So I think within a snap of a finger by 8:30, we're going to be here to watch that news play out. So within a snap of a finger by 8:30, we see that they cut interest rates. As soon as I see that they have cut, I'll start adding my positions on CAD CHF, dollar CHF, to buy CAD and to buy dollar. Okay, but literally I'll buy dollar more. Why will I buy dollar more? It's because uh, based on the currency strength meter, you see CHF is the number one strongest, second now is New Zealand, and third now is dollar. So I'm going to buy currencies that are strong so that this strength that they have will push the price to my direction. But there is still high chances that during New York session dollar will be weak. Okay, so based on what I can see now on NZD-CHF, okay, which is the second strongest currency in the market, NZD. This is the daily demand. Okay, this is the daily demand. Then we go to the H4. Okay, then we go to the H4. What can I spot? Okay, I can spot unfulfilled efficiency, and the market has come to fulfill that efficiency with this demand. Sweet. I love it when the market doesn't give complex structure like JPY. What do you want me to go and do there? What do you want me to go and start searching for? Am I searching for discovery, or am I searching? The only thing JPY will use, it to use the, this is algos controlling this market. It will use the quarter points. For you guys that know what I'm talking about, it will use the quarter points as a point of discovery. Okay, it will use the quarter point. Man, I like how sweet and complex. No, I like how sweet this market is, and the reaction. It has fulfilled efficiency. It has fulfilled efficiency. You can see it fulfilled 4 hours efficiency over here. Exactly. And I love the way it fulfilled it and had a complete reversal. Oh my god. So over here now is the Judas swing, sell side trap, sell side trap. Then this is the change of character. This one is not even that complex like Euro. Sell side trap. This is Judas swing, and this is change of character, guys. Then 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. Oh my god. So this is the origin where the market makers place their trades for the buy. And it is not fulfilled yet, and there's high chances that the market will fulfill it before moving. And if it fulfills it before moving, oh god, thank you. There is this is literally not too complex. NZDCHF, this is literally not too complex. So where are we taking this market? It could be a swing trade, though. It could be a swing trade. Why are we taking this market? I don't like it. You always break my heart. So I'm going to use this one. Yes, I don't like it. I've been trading this market for a very long time, and I know supply zones or demand zones that will not hold. These type of supply zones that is always here, they break my heart a lot. They break my heart. They will do some manipulation, Joe. To be honest, the market will get there, it will react like it wants to sell. Well, no. They will manipulate you and continue pushing it up. To be honest, I've fallen for that trap like 4 times. So it's best I go for this. Or when it approaches here, I'll just like know how I'll close my position. So literally this is what I see for NZD-CHF. Although it has not fulfilled efficiency on 15 minutes, this is the other block. It needs to come and fulfill this efficiency on 15 minutes. And when that happens, boom, we're going to the upside. 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 So literally this is what I see for NZD. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Please, if I'm making sense, let me know. And literally, I'm not going to I'm going to give it 10. I can give it 10 pips. One thing I love about Aussie pairs, anything has to do with New Zealand and Australian, is that they respect their other blocks. They respect it. So this is more like a buy buy limit trade, and I like buy limit trade. There's high chances you use the news to tap into the buy limit, then start pushing to the upside from there. This is more like a swing trade, man. You can hold this for 1:10 risk to reward ratio. 1:10. You're risking 10 pips, going for 100 pips. 1:10 risk to reward ratio. But we need to see that cut first. So guys, you don't even need to be afraid that probably we miss the trade. Okay, FOMO, fear of missing out. No, if the cut happens and we are not on trade, we will find entry by fire by force. The market will still give you entry. The market knows that there are some people that missed the trade. It will still give you entry. Okay, so this is what I see for NZD CHF. Although CHF is strong this morning, and I think why CHF is strong this morning is that it's going to go and activate those trades. Okay, so if we see a rate cut, there's high chances that we'll buy NZD CHF and dollar CHF. If we see a rate unchanged, okay, we'll now sell GBP CHF. Okay, we'll sell GBP CHF, and that's literally what I see right now. I've analyzed GBP CHF, remaining AUD. Yes, AUD is the next weakest currency today. Let's confirm. After GBP, we have Euro. After Euro, we have AUD. Okay, so let's start the analysis all over again. I hope everyone here is smashing the like button. Let me see if you guys are smashing the like button. If you're not smashing the like button, I'll just stop this live stream now. Let me go and check. Let me check on my phone. You smash the like button based on everybody here. I want to see a lot of people smashing the like button. And also, not just smashing alone. I'll give you guys an opportunity. You give me any pair you want me to analyze, I'll analyze it for you. If I see everyone smash the like button, everyone on this live stream. Let me go. Let me see. Let me see my stats. Okay, so I'm live now. Okay, I can see. Is everyone smashing that like button? I want you guys to smash that like button. I want you to destroy that like button. Okay, so Daniel wants GBP USD to be analyzed. Okay, Daniel wants GBP USD to be analyzed. But I hope you've smashed the like button. That's it. You vote for that to be done for you. You vote for that to be done for you. Professionals, if you think what I'm doing is wrong, you can say, oh, but one thing I want to just remind you all is that make money. That's the only thing. That's the summary of everything I'm saying. Or anything you know, anything you do, bro, sis, you're a professional. Make money. As far as what you do makes money for you, bro, stick to it, because this has been what has been making money for me, printing money for me in this market since 2021. Okay, so make money. The way you see the market, understand the market, follow it that way, but make money. Wow, 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 wow. Australian dollar. Why do you have to be the heartbreaker? It's even giving us sell structure. Australian dollar. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Let me mark out this. Okay, it's a buy structure. It's not even a sell structure though. Yeah, I'll be more interested to is fulfill deficiency, fulfill deficiency. I'll be more interested to take it here. I'm not taking it from here. Okay, so I'm checking out the live stream now. Okay, so I can see everyone's comments. I see only 3 likes. We are 5, yeah. We are four likes now. Come on. You guys can do better than that. You can do better than that. Complete it to be 5. If you don't like now. Complete it to be 5. Okay, so this is what I see. This is what I see. Okay, so this is it. This is demand, and Aussie pairs are giving us some kind of correction this morning. So what can I see here? This is the xauusd Judah swing. Okay, and this is the change of character. Now let me go down to small time frame and spot it out. Okay, so this is what I see. You see, I see, we all see. But I hope it tallies with what every other trader like the banks are seeing too, because it will give me more edge. So change of character. Then Australian dollar, why do you have to be complex? No, I'm not going to use this. So let's dive in. What can I see? It's fulfilled efficiency. This has not fulfilled efficiency, and that is the one I'll use. You want to manipulate us, stop front us, Abi. It will not work for you today. So this is it. Exactly. So it's the buy limit trade setup for Australian dollar. The buy limit trade setup for Australian dollar. So we are getting how many pips? Uh, let's say 17 pips. Let's do it as one pip. Some traders would prefer to do this though. 7 pips. Some people traders would prefer to do it, but I like to give my market breathing space. Okay, let's give 17 pips. I know a lot of traders that will do that. And I know a lot of traders that when the market comes into this zone, they will go to 1 minute time frame and start refining the trade. And okay, so let's find where you're going to. Okay, so your roadmap is clear on where you're going to. Because this was the change of character. Okay, okay. So heading into this. What's the risk to reward? 1 is to 4.5. So in about 35 minutes time, have you guys completed the likes to be 5? Okay. So you guys see, I literally have analyzed the whole pairs this morning. I literally have analyzed the whole pairs this morning, and I'm told you that if they have a rate cut, we are going for buy NZD CHF, buy USD CHF. But if we get a rate on change, we are selling GBP CHF. We're selling GBP CHF towards this level, and we're selling Euro CHF during the line. Probably GPCHF. I'll stick to one GPCHF. So let's go to let me check if the likes are complete. Let's check if the likes are complete. Let's check if the likes are complete. Okay. 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 So you guys have done good. Let's continue with the analysis for Euro USD. The dollar is quite strong this morning. And Euro is weak, and I already explained to you why dollar is strong. There is there's a supply zone here. It wants to go and fill. Let's see what GPS is doing. So GPS is currently inside the demand zone. Okay, so yesterday we sent this signal, okay, and it worked out fine. Let me show you guys on the higher time frame first. So on the higher time frame, what can we see? We see that the market created this low, okay. After this, had the impulse correction, impulse, and that what impulse, and this is why I expect the market to go towards, okay. But there can be manipulations before that news, and what I see that could push this market up is the news, okay. Is the news GBP USD. There's actually that the news push it up, but due to DXY is strong this morning, and we have a demand zone, and it is currently inside a demand zone. Okay, and I spotted this demand zone from yesterday, so it's not today. After my target hit here, I was not looking for a re-entry opportunity. Okay, and this was the strongest demand zone where I see buyers could join this market. So I spotted it, and I saw 15 pips take stop loss plus 5 pips take profit for GPUSD. Okay, I have some trades I'm still holding over here though. I have some trades I'm still holding just in case this guy wants to manipulate. Okay, and then before or during the news they will push up. Daniel, does that give you a clear view of where we're going to? We already bagged this profit. Okay, so let me delete this so I will not be confused. Let me mark out the current demand. They are very important. Exactly, very important. I mark you out so that it gives some kind of like I told you guys, I'm anticipating dollar to be weak today during that 130 news. So either GBP USD interest rate pushes this market up by 12, man. I love forex trading. Exactly, like everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. But GP is still the weakest currency today. And smoothly, this is one of those trades that I see that happens every like consistently in the market. So and there is even high chances that we can do more than 1:3. We can do 1:5. Yes. Why are you going for less? Go for more. We can do 1:5, 75 pips, and the spike up by GBP USD would give us this by 12. So there's high chances there will be manipulation before 12. Okay, to manipulate everybody out. There's high chances. And then 15 minutes to 12, that's when, or even 30 minutes to 12, that's when we'll now start seeing this structure coming in place. Okay, so this is what I see current for GPUSD. This is what I see current for GPUSD. Daniel, I hope that answers your question. Yes, I see that you liked, Daniel. I see that you like the live stream. So this is what I see when there's a change of character. So you can really get the change of character for extra confidence, and this is what I see for GPUSD. Because if you go down to the weekly, literally what's happening in the weekly time frame? What's happening with the weekly candle? Let's use the weekly candle. Weekly candle, we're having a bullish momentum. We're having a bullish momentum on the weekly candle. And let's check the daily. Okay, so based on the daily, on Monday we had buy side, Tuesday it came to retest that buy side, then continue on Wednesday, Thursday. There's high chances that we're still going to be upside because on the daily time frame I can see the daily supply zone. I already marked it out. This daily supply zone. Okay, and the 4 hours. So everything is still showing me bullish on GPUSD though. But the market maker still has control of the market. It's his market, so he can still manipulate us out. But the thing there is that we'll apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management, guys. Okay, even if I use this my software to mark it out, you can see the percentage ranking. Okay, the percentage ranking now is we have 1.797k. This has to do with those hedge funds that trade with what they call it again. there's this particular meter they use to know how many buyers and how many sellers is inside the candle. This is the meter. You see that the buyers is about 1.797k and the percentage is about 9.53%. And then now they've already created another sellers candle up here, okay, which is 1.61k and is 8.79. So 9.53% is higher than 8.79% and also higher than 5.71%. So guys, that's literally what I see. Smash the like button, oh, smash the like button. So this one is for GP USD, but there could be some manipulation before 12, but exactly by 12 when interest rates will be remain unchanged, because I know interest rates will remain unchanged with it for GBP. Guys, for the break in network transmission. Sorry for the break in network transmission. I lost data. So let's share my screen again. Okay, so CGP is gradually gaining strength now from that zone. So it tallies with everything. Tallies with everything. Tallies with my demand. Tallies with literally everything. So let's see what Euro is doing. Euro turns out to be the weakest currency this morning. Before Euro had this breakout, there was this supply zone over here. Man, Euro can be so complex nowadays. So it's moved up, came back down. So after this, this is the demand zone it's meant to use, but eventually it used this. But you can see literally the euro has broken that demand zone. And why? Is because euro is now the weakest currency this morning, together with dollar. Okay, euro is now the weakest currency this morning, and they took stop loss was taken over here. Okay, so there is total. It's completely. I think it wants to do a flip zone. So within this flip zone now, do we see a fair value gap in the ITC? Within this flip zone now, do we see a fair value gap? Yeah, and this is fair value gap. This is fair value gap. So this is usually where market will use if you want to sell again. To come back into this, it won't take this high, so we can give it 7 pips to be on the safe side, and then we sell. Because I think euro, yes, is even meant to sell because of there is unfulfilled efficiency. Before it started moving up, there's unfulfilled efficiency. So literally, you can even get 1:10 risk to reward, 70 pips. So literally, there's two chances that euro will be consolidating between this range until then. But this is what I see literally based on the flip. It has a flip zone now. It has a flip zone. So let me not make myself confused. Let me delete this and delete this. So once you use that, no, I'll leave the other one. Yeah. So, but I'm not interested in euro USD. If I'm to be interested, I'm more interested in this GBP USD, and it is moving up quite good. So this is the trade GBP USD buy, and it's about to break this. About to break this zone over here. Okay, it's about to break this zone. It's about to close down. If you close down in 3 minutes, then you see that you can have more strength to push off. Buyers are more strong in GBP. Although I saw GBP to be the weakest currency today. Let's see what's happening on USD CHF. So a few minutes to the news. A few minutes to the news, guys. What about USD CAD CHF? So all of them is just lining up. See CAD CHF lining up for the push up. Apply proper risk management though. Don't just go and jump in. Apply proper risk management, guys. So in about how many minutes time the news will be out. Let's see what's happening now. So CHF is losing ground against New Zealand. GBP is gaining back strength. Okay, the reverse is now the case. The first is now about to become the last, and the last will now become the first. Okay, so this is what I see. Yeah, so this is what I see literally. Apply proper risk management to these are 13 pip stop loss. Let me make it 1 is to 3. 39 pips take profit. And then GPUSD as well for the buy. NZD, wait, let me see what, and let me add NZD CHF to this chart. NZD CHF. Let me add NZD CHF. Let me show NZD CHF 15. NZD CHF is pushing up even without going into that our demand zone. So there's still high chances that NZD CHF will move down. For those that want to be very conservative, you don't want to be trapped, there's still high chances that it will move down before it moves up. So you can just place your buy limit. But for those that are risk takers, applying proper risk management, okay, you can just open your trades on CAD CHF or dollar CHF, because the news is coming in and it will be coming in hot by a few minutes time. Coming hot in a few minutes time, about 15 minutes time. So what can I see? Okay, so apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. Let me do this. Okay. Okay, interesting. Okay, 15 minutes to the news. 15 minutes to the news. And we had a change of character before that news to the bullish side. Change of character. Let's see CAD CHF. Like I say, apply proper risk management. Here is CHF and CAD CHF. Is the current active trades you can place. Here is the CHF and CAD CHF is the current active trades we can place. But we're still watching out for the news. Okay. Also, GPUSD also is part of the trade, so you can actually diversify your investments, spread it out, so you don't. Okay, diversify and spread out your investments. Okay. So I'm placing a trade on GPUSD. I see Joy says, please, what's the current pairs can I trade now? I say you can trade GPUSD, okay, from this area, GPUSD. Then CAD CHF. No, let me just move GPUSD out of the picture. Look at CAD CHF and uh, yes, let's look at it this way. So we can trade CAD CHF or dollar CHF, but we will not just enter the trade now. We want the news to be out. Okay, if the news comes out and we see that the interest rate is unchanged, okay, then you can now start buying USD CHF or CAD CHF. Okay, so that's what I said. Buy CAD CHF or USD CHF, but we need the news to be out first. So let me go to the news page. Let me show you guys. So the news will be out in about 10 minutes or so. The news will out in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes or so. Okay, so the two pairs now is CAD CHF, which is currently within the order block. The what's it called? Market maker order block. Okay, CAD CHF or USD CHF. That's the two pairs that we're monitoring right now. Like I said, apply proper risk management, but we want to have a sense of direction. We want to have a sense of direction. Daniel says, please, can you put the signal here? I can't see them clearly. Put the signals of which one exactly? Put the signals of which one exactly? Put the signals of which one, Daniel? CAD, CHF, GBP, USD. I'll have to send it in the group. I'll have to send it in the group. Okay. Let me see. Put that in the group, in the VIP group. Hey, few minutes to go. Okay. Bless me. Okay, I sent it in the VIP group. GP USD trade VIP group. Then let me get the card CHF. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So the Okay, guys, sorry for the break in network transmission. But we have few seconds to use. Few seconds to use. Like I told you guys, you don't need to follow. Few seconds to news, and once the news is out, then we make our decision. 15, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, there was a cut. There was a cut like anticipated. You can see CAD CHF now is moving to the offside massively. Dollar CHF too. CAD CHF just hit the target, guys. You see that? That's the power of knowledge. CAD CHF just hit the target, guys. So tell me, how much are you making on CAD CHF or dollar CHF? The rate cut was successful. So also during the GBP news later today, we anticipate this to be unchanged, and if that happens, Great Britain pound will be strong. There'll be a push to the upside. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you got value. If you got value, smash the like button. If you got value, smash the like button. And you can see now the currency strength meter would have made an adjustment. CHF is now the weakest. The strongest is NZD, followed by AUD, followed by JPY, followed by CAD, followed by GBP, and followed by Euro. But CHF is now the weakest. So that's the power of knowledge. Okay, so it's still moving up though. Let's see if we can spot any other entries on other pairs. Okay, Euro went up. You can see the targets. You can see the Euro CHF went up. See the target 1 is to 3. GBP went up. You can see the targets and it's still moving up. That's 1 is to 2, 40 pips. Then NZD didn't really activate our trade. We were to place the buy limit, and AUD didn't really activate the trade. We were to place the buy limit. So we called out like 4 different pairs, and it has all done take profits. That's all done take profits. And it's still moving up strong. So smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button, guys. So now watch out for the news for GBP as well. I will send GBP USD signal, and that will be in the afternoon by 12. We now anticipate GBP to have its own push to the upside. Its massive push to the upside. Okay, so I think that will be a wrap. Any questions before we call it a wrap? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so big announcement. Our courses are going for 50% discount right now. Our courses are going for 50% discount right now. And if you want to sign up, I'm sending the details on the comment section though. Okay, so you can see the courses. So for the 1 month class, instead of paying $49, you're paying $24.05. This is like a discount to get you guys to enroll into our VIP group, because our VIP is going to be on fire. It's going to be on fire, massive fire. So I want you guys to enroll and be part of the VIP channel. Okay, so you don't miss out on any opportunities, any trades. Okay, so that's literally what I am offering to you guys. Okay, a discount, 50% discount on all our courses. You can see the 1 month class. Okay, so instead of going for $49, you're paying $24.53. Then this is a 5%. No, I meant to remove that area. Then for the 3 months class, instead of paying $134.65, you're paying $69.82. Then lastly is the 6 months class. Instead of paying $664.06, you're paying $132.03. Then the 1 year class, instead of paying $470.04, you're paying $235.02. Okay, so that's literally going to hold. This discount is literally going to hold till the end of this month. Okay, and our VIP is on fire. That's why we want you to get this full benefits. The VIP is literally on fire. So you can see the trades we analyzed, and it was spot on. It was spot on. I hope you guys are learning something very serious here, something very important here in trading. So I wish you guys a profitable trading week. I hope we'll be able to have more trading sessions like this in future, and you guys to stay safe. So if you want to make payments, you can send payment to the company account though. You have the company account, Tenet Digital Link or Tenet Digital Asset Limited account. Okay, you can make the payment there, and you gain access to the training. Okay, all the informations, the courses, the signals. Do I really need to? Okay, let me show you guys what you gain access to. So this is our seller store. So you gain access to all this. You gain access to our 1 month or 3 months or 6 months online bootcamp. Okay, you also gain access to a guest trainer in Canada, sorry, in London, and one in New York will teach you guest traders. And then we have one new trader in Kenya handling guys on gold. So he's also going to teach you guys as well. Then we have the free Forex software files indicator. You get that indicator as well. Then you get the Forex VIP signals. You can place trades and aim 1000% return with the signals, which you can see right now. We just sent you a signal. Then we have free membership into our Forex VIP group chat. Once you pay, you gain access to VIP group chat where we give you updates and follow you up on every signal which we send. Then you have one-on-one session with me. You ask me questions, DM me, I'll give you guidance and proper education. Then my new book, Forex Mastery: A Guide to Trading Success, you gain access to that, the software file. Then when you're done learning, you pass through our quiz. If you pass the quiz, we give you a certificate. If you don't pass the quiz, we don't give you the certificate. We hold on to the certificate. And then lastly, the $5,000 evaluation account from your partner prop firm. Okay, it's a $5,000 account when you pass the certificate, and this is going for those who enroll for 6 months. Okay, 6 months, not 3 months, 6 months. Okay, so that is literally what I have to say. So we have to watch out for the Great Britain pound interest rate by 12, and initial jobless claims for dollar by 130. I wish you guys a profitable trading day and a profitable trading week. Stay safe, guys. Peace.